Hi, this is Lisa from Crewbooking, and welcome to another tutorial. In this video, we will see how to apply for a mission or job offer on Crewbooking. First, go to the Jobs section, where you will find all the missions, jobs, and internship offers. By default, only jobs relevant to you will be displayed. Those are jobs posted by the companies you follow on the platform and those that match your skills profile. You can learn how to effectively complete your profile in the dedicated video. But by clicking on All, you will be able to access every missions and job offers posted on Crewbooking, listed by date of publication. Most recent above. Note that you could also be directly notified for missions corresponding to you. It is therefore all the more important to have a well-completed and relevant skills profile. To apply to a mission or job offer, all you need to do is click on it. And then on the icon here above, or on the Apply button below. Finally, did you know that in addition to applying for a mission or job offer, it is also possible to propose a spontaneous application on Crewbooking? To do so, you have to go to the Community section, where you can find the profiles of all the persons who have a Crewbooking account, and add them in your network if you want. But, by clicking on the little building icon here, it is also possible to find all the companies registered on the platform. You can search for a specific company by name. And, in the same way you can connect with a crew member, you have the possibility to follow a company. This will allow you to see their publications in the news section, but also, as I explained earlier, to highlight their missions and job offers in the jobs section. This way you won't miss any opportunity. And here you will also find the Apply button to send a spontaneous application. So, even if your dream company doesn't have any job openings at the moment, it is still possible to show your interest and try your luck. Thanks for watching, and see you soon for another Crewbooking tutorial.